If you work in the food industry, you know how crucial food safety is. But do you know how to master it? Let's dive into HACCP training with LearnQ. So what's HACCP? Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. It's a systematic approach to identifying, evaluating, and controlling food safety hazards. And with LearnQ, mastering HACCP is a piece of cake. Our HACCP awareness course is affordable, accessible, and accredited. Imagine training at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. That's right, 24/7 online access on any device. Why choose LearnQ? Simple. Our course is CPD and RoSPA accredited, meaning you get top-notch, recognized training. Plus, we offer bulk discounts, making it perfect for businesses of all sizes. But it's not just about ticking a box. Our course arms you with practical, real-world examples and interactive elements like quizzes and simulations. You'll be confidently navigating food safety hazards like a pro. And here's the cherry on top. Complete the course and get an instant digital certificate. Show off your new skills and boost your career. So whether you're a food handler, manager, or business owner, LearnQ's HACCP training is your recipe for food safety success. Ready to unlock your potential? Enroll now. Remember, with LearnQ HACCP, your recipe for food safety success.